I'd just like to thank the PSA for the award of Coach Ron. I'd like to thank Coach Ron for all the lives that he's touched, players, coaches, and I'm very close to Coach Ron, and I've been with him for all these years. I miss him very much. He's my mentor, my guide, and I know he's touched a lot of players like us in front, and I know that we owe him a lot, and we would not have been here if not for him. So I'd like to thank Coach Ron. I know he's out in heaven, and I know he's guiding us and watching all of us.
I owe him basically what my career basically to him. And one thing he's very good at is he's pretty good at sizing up people. And one thing he told me, if I want to stick in the PBA, probably playing is not for me. So sabi niya, mag-coach ka na lang. So, yun, dito ko napunta.
When I'm playing the national team, I remember yung practice namin is breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ganun ka-disciplinaryan si Coach Ron, ganun magka-papapractice. Kaya, thank you, Coach Ron.
For us former players, he was more than just a coach for us. I mean, he was a second father. He would always ask us kung kamusta na kami. It was never about us, the basketball player, but kami as persons, and parang anak na rin ang turing niya sa amin. So I owe a lot to Coach Ron, and nagpapasalamat ako because nagkaroon ako ng career because of Coach Ron Jacobs.
A second emotion sa lahat na sinabi nila. Coach Ron is, tama sabi ni Olsen, is like a father to us. For me kasi, we're so blessed to be with him. Siya nag-introduce. I consider him, parang he elevated Philippine basketball to the next level. What I mean is parang naging scientific, and then yung mga like Ronnie said kanina, the motion offense, tsaka kami nag-umpisa. Kaya we owe him a lot. Talagang we surely miss him, and malaki ang na-contribute niya sa Philippine basketball.